A local AI model hosted on Ollama gives you privacy, but we all know an AI model without access to the web is pretty dumb. Here's how I'm trying to fix that. So firstly, I obviously had to get circng running locally. I had to set up the Docker container and soon I had circng running. However, the API does not return JSON by default, so you do have to enable that in the settings.yml file. So I tested out this script I made, which basically gets the results from circng and it extracts useful text with a Python library that will be used for context. With the search module finished, I needed something to connect everything together. This agent is basically the brain of the project. It decides when to answer normally and when it should search the web first. If web search is enabled, the first thing it does is ask the language model to rewrite the user's question into a short, clean search query, which gives much better search results than sending the entire prompt directly to circng. The search module extracts the useful text required for context. We combine all of that context into the user's original question and send it back to the Ollama model. Instead of relying on what it already knows, the model can now use real information from the web while generating its answer. With all of that in place, let's see how it works.